I'll come back to this. Here's a project out of San Francisco where have folks here seen the movie? It's an old movie called Fantastic Voyage, where somebody's sick and so they need to shrink down a submarine and then the submarine goes into the body to fix stuff. Yeah. So the problem, that's a great idea, except the problem is we don't have shrinking rays. And I don't know, maybe there's shrinking rays in the next talk, I don't know. But we do have, it turns out, little nanoscale programmable objects called bacteria. And if we could implement some sensors and logic and actuators, then maybe we could program them to go around and fix stuff up. And so that's what this project's doing, trying to get bacteria to specifically target tumors and destroy them. Here's a project out of Pasadena, California, Caltech, where they're implementing logic gates out of pieces of RNA. So they have funny shapes, and they basically turn on or off in response to whatever signal you want. So it's like little molecular switches. Here's a project out of Princeton. These are bacteria growing, and the movie blips a little bit. Basically, these bacteria are running a genetic ring oscillator inside them, a little primitive clock. And the clock is controlling a glowing protein. So when it's noon, the cells are glowing, and when it's 6 p.m. or 1800 or whatever, the cells are dark. This is kind of old. I like the movie because it spells out sort of MIT, which is an accident. Here's a metabolic engineering project. Metabolic engineering is let's reprogram metabolism to make chemicals. And here a group at Berkeley is trying to make artemisinic acid for treating malaria and grow bacteria to make that instead of harvesting the chemical from wormwood trees. This is the logical outgrowth of very early genetic engineering projects such as making insulin in bacteria for treating diabetes as opposed to getting it from pigs.